Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami heart. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into a triangular shape. Forming the triangle, fold the edges upwards to form a diamond shape in between. Now from one side and then the other, fold it and press. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Fold it towards the bottom from one side and now tuck it in like this. Then from the other side repeat the step. Form the final shape of the heart like this. Again tuck the edges in so that it may look elegant and clear. From one side and then the other. It's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.